Okay, now I want to use a function of the tool which is called height transfer. For that, I just need to be in a project with a station. It can be a station anywhere if I am working in an empty project. It can be already a station with coordinates if I'm working in a project in the CAD file. It doesn't matter. So I go and lay. In this case, I'm gonna create a empty project, and in this empty project, I'm doing a station anywhere. So now I go to layout, and that will be exactly the same thing in all the different functions you can have. You flip it, and you see on the left hand side on the top a function with a prism and height. You just select it. It tells you please measure a point. You have two choices at this moment. Or your point, your benchmark, is a point on it's a nail on the ground. In this case, you will need to work with your prism. Or the point is a mark on the wall. In my case, that's a point on the wall. So I say that my refractor is 0 height. I'm working in a laser mode, so it's fine. I turn on my video camera and I go to measure my benchmark. I'm on it. I take a measurement, and now, very important, I open the window, and in offset I can set and hide. If I say that this thing is 0, it's fine. If I want to work, like in my case, it's 21 meter high, I just have to say minus 21, very important, and then I'm going to lock on my prism. Thanks to the padlock. I definitely need to set the good prism height. In this case, not working with my pole, but that doesn't matter. But now when I move my prism, you see the height is displayed. It just tells me that if my wall, if the mark that I on the wall was 21 meters high, so my prism is now 20.678, something like that. So it can helps me to create some height everywhere on my job site thanks to only one point. If I was working with my prism from the beginning, I would have said just okay, please measure a point. I just go with my prism on my first point, take a measurement, in offset telling what is my height, minus 21, alright, and then I move with my prism, and everywhere it will display what is the height of my prism now.